Alright, hey cartoon friends. So here's another drawing tutorial with just pencil and paper. Okay, cool. What we're gonna do is draw a cute bear, or sorry, a cute tiger. What I'm gonna do is draw loosely with the pencil and let's kind of go from there. I'm gonna start with just, I guess, a oval shape around here. Nice and light. Nice line of action. So I'm gonna curve that line all the way through the body. Just a little rounded kind of body there. So you see how big the head is. I want that to be about, not half the size of the body. So this is about 60%, that's about 40%. So I know it gets a little technical, but I usually don't think that too much technically when I'm drawing. But anyways, this is a bigger head and this tiny body. I'm gonna put a little leg up and then the back leg down. And then maybe the tail seems to have a nice line of action. Follow that through. And then the tail, okay? So I'm just drawing loose right now. Working out the shapes. Arm up. Another arm up, okay? I guess, and then the features, I tend to put them, if I want them really cute, I tend to put the features lower. So the center line's lower on that oval. And then kind of the nose area, the muzzle, the eyes, nice ovals, another eye, and the tiger ears. Okay, I'm changing things as I'm drawing. Right now I'm not doing the details yet. I'm just working out the simple, I guess the bigger shapes, and eventually I will add details, but for now just working on shapes and just where everything's going to be placed. That's where the eyes will be placed, and the nose will be like on top like there. Okay, so don't worry about details yet, just the big shapes. So that's my rough, I would say. This one, like this leg's in the air. You can see that nice line of action kind of going through, right? Okay. Now I'm going to work on, smaller, I guess the smaller shapes. So for example, the ear, just really getting the ear placed. Oh, let me fix this. Actually, that might be okay. Let's see. Yeah, that would be okay. Okay, so the ear, like that, ear like that. So I'm just working out the shapes, okay? And then that arm coming up. And then maybe, just work out the little details in there. This arm up, little details. And then maybe like a little belly. So I'm not totally doing the stripes yet, but the tail. Curve that around. It's the head shape. And I'm gonna do the eyes. So it's up to you how you want the eyes to go. I'm probably gonna be, looking this way. And then the nose area. Circle there. And then the mouth. And the eye. And the other eye. Okay. So I'm still drawing loose, yeah. And then just a little brow if I want. A little brow on that side. Sorry. And then now the stripes. So I'm gonna probably curve it like that. Another one under there. Another curve like that. And then maybe a nice center one. And then add some curves on the side, like those markings. And same thing over here, like little curves on the top of the arm. And the stripes on the tail. Right? Okay, so that's my rough. What I can do now, since I have everything nicely worked out, I can take a kneaded rubber eraser and then just lightly erase it, okay? And the reason why I'm doing this is just so I can go over it a little tighter and, fill it in. I can still draw rough even on this cleanup area, but I know I said rough and clean at the same time, but it can be sculpted. So here we go. Ready? So what I do is I can start maybe, you know, from the nose if I want. You know, fill it in. And then the kind of mouth area. And around the sides of the head. Same thing over here. A little thicker on the sides if you want. Mouth. The eye. You can add those nice big kind of highlights if you want. Fill it in. Nice brow. Highlights as well. And the brow. If you want, you can add things to this too. If you want, like a, you know, a certain outfit, that's something you could add. And this is just, I guess, the rough that I'm doing right now. Filling that in. I guess the stripes. Like that. The eye, like that, yeah. The belly. And this is the, I guess, the leg coming up. This leg's touching the ground here. And, his arm's coming up. Very happy. Paw. And some tiger stripes on the side of the back there. And then you can add some stripes on the legs. Now the tail. It's coming along nice. Now the tail. A little darker back here. Just kind of going over some parts of it, just darkening areas, just kind of still sculpting it and around, just sculpting it. It's nice and loose. I said this before, I really enjoy this. I really enjoy this process. It's just a lot of fun. You know, I feel loose. I really enjoy this process. And then after that, I can go over and tighten it. You know, put another piece of paper over top if I want. And because I've worked out this area, And that's it. So this is the tiger. I hope you like it, but yeah, I think it was a lot of fun. Cool. And I'll just maybe add a shadow or something with it. That is our tiger. Pretty cool. Yeah, like that. Fill it in right there. You can add whiskers if you want. I might add little ones. All right, that's it. All right, high five, friends. All right, bye.